So I'm going to teach you guys my basics. I know a lot of you guys learn basics with like butterflies, but I didn't learn butterflies, so I'm going to teach you guys my normals. So you're going to start in right shoulder. Right shoulder, you're going to have it, there's 3 different tapings. Some have different tapings along the pole. This is the butt, neck, and the head. Then with right shoulder, you're going to hold it at your neck and half almost to the butt, I guess. If you're shorter, you can have it almost like right there. I'm a little taller, so I have it closer to the butt. So right shoulder, your right hand should be up, and your left hand should be at like a right angle at your belly button. Now your presents, I'm going to teach you guys presents. Right present is straight across, so it looks like your right hand is at a right angle, your left hand stays the same. Then you're going to bring it back to right shoulder, and you're going to bring it across. That's left present. Left present, your right hand is completely across your body, your left hand is still the same. Now, here's where it gets tricky. Back present, you're going to stay completely the same, and you're going to turn your whole body. So your flag dips. So it should look something like that. If you're going to do back present. Now if you're doing a front present, you want to, it's kind of like an ROTC thing. So you're going to bring it forward,
in front, and the side, and the other side.
you're going to bring it in front, and it's going to look like a unicorn horn. And then you go back to right present. Now I'm going to teach you guys slams. So remember when you did your presents, how you had your presents like that? Slams are all the way down. So it's going to look like it's diagonal to your body. It is. So you're going to go to right shoulder, and you're going to slam straight down. Your hand's going to feel stiff. You're going to want your hand upside down pretty much, but holding it in like a taco shape. I like calling it taco shapes. And then you're going to have your hand about the same way when you did your right shoulder. You're going to bring it down. So your left hand is going to now be extended. It's going to look like pretty much if you did a left shoulder, but there's pretty much no such thing as left shoulder. Then you're going to have your hand in a taco shape, like remember, and you're going to bring it back to right shoulder. Now your left present, it gets a little tricky. You're going to release your left hand, and you're going to bring it across your body. So then it looks like you're back in front carriage. You're going to have it across your body, and this hand is going to be, your left hand is going to be at the neck, your right hand is going to be connected, and that's left slam. Then you're going to come back to your right shoulder. Back slam gets a little tricky. Remember when you did your back present, how you only went like that? Back slams all the way down. So you're going to go back slam. The whole body should look like this. This should be at a right angle in the taco shape. This should be up. But it should be completely behind your body. Now you're going to bring it up. It's okay if your flag messes up. That's normal. Front present, you're going to come straight forward. So your right hand is going to cross your complete body. Your left hand is going to be about at your head, at like, it's going to look like an angle. And then you're going to bring her right back to right shoulder. Okay, next I'm going to teach you drop spins on a flag. Drop spins is not like an actual rifle where you just flip it from one hand to another. With flag, you always go to your left. So when we count it one, and we count and 1, 2, 3. So and 1. So when you do 1, when you start off your spins, you always don't want to go to your left. So you're going to have your right hand at the neck. Your left hand is going to be a little bit halfway between the pole, as you can see mine. And you're going to drop your flag straight down, and you catch it so it looks like you're pretty much doing a like wobble thing. I like calling it wobble. And you're gonna bring it up. This is 2. Okay. So now that you see this, so you want to hold it. Sometimes I like starting with my left hand on top. My color guard instructor wants us to have it within our right hand on top. Our left hand is going to be upside down, so when you flip it, you can keep on flipping. Now I'm going to show you guys how to count this, how we count it. So 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is like right shoulder, but front carriage like kind of halfway. That's our spins. Another basic that I learned was strips. So strips, you're gonna have it at right shoulder, and you're gonna bring it down to front carriage. You're gonna take your left hand, and you're gonna turn it upside down. You're gonna grab it from the head, and you're going to literally strip the pole to the neck. So your pole should look something, your flag should look like an umbrella, pretty much. And you're going to just hold it like that. Sometimes you can have your hand upside down because for our warm-up, we have something that looks something like this. So it goes from a strip, and we flip it, and we go around in that way. We call these back scratches. I'll teach those in a minute. So strips, you just strip it straight down to the neck. So see how I have it almost to the neck? And you're gonna have your hand at your neck. And then you're gonna push with this hand. By the time you're done, you should have it like this. But when you want it, you want your hand to be like that. So when you go into your next move, you can have your back scratch correctly. Now I'm gonna teach you guys back scratches. I'm gonna show you from the beginning, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So you're gonna have it right shoulder. You're gonna bring it parallel to your hand, to your head, to be parallel to the ground, and you're gonna bring it straight down like a sword. So it's gonna look like a sword, and then you're gonna bring it back parallel, and then you're gonna bring it straight around your body, and your flag is gonna want to be almost to the ground, but diagonal to your back. So it should look. You should have it parallel, perpendicular, parallel, straight down. So parallel, perpendicular, parallel, straight down. But when you do go straight down, you want to cross your body. Okay, now that we have that done, I'm going to teach you guys how to do rows. Rows are a lot complicated. You're going to want to have your right hand upside down, okay? At the neck. Your left hand's going to be like this. And this is going to be your push hand. Your left hand's going to be your push hand. And you're going to push it, okay? So it should look, so when you do it, this hand's going to be, I can't get it. Upside down. This hand's going to be your push hand. And you're going to flip it, so it looks like you're rowing. Your butt is your weapon. You want to use your weapon as much as you can. You're going to push. So it's like so put your hands together and row your flag. And then you want to let go. You can do it with your right hand, but I recommend you do it with your left. You're going to swing your butt around half your body. So you want to swing it, swing it, swing it. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do from front to back. It's the same thing. Remember when you did your rows? I know I didn't show rows that much, so I'm going to do it up close. So I'm going to show you up close. So you're going to go down, down, down. When you get here, you want to pop. And then, so now I'm going to teach you around. So it's the same thing. It's pretty much a drop spin. So you're going to drop, and then it's going to go back behind you. And you're going to going like that. It's good to start off slow so you can get a feel for it. Now I'm going to teach you guys how to do the toss that I learned how to do. So what you want to do, you want to have your hand upside down. Your left hand is going to be upside down at the neck. Your right hand is going to be like you want money. I've heard that it's called I want money toss. So you're going to have it like this, and you're going to have your right hand like this. This is going to be your push hand, okay? That's going to be your push hand. This is going to be the hand that's your so when you toss it, that's your release point. The release point, your hand should be upside down. Okay. So 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. When you catch it, you can catch it either close to the silk or on the silk. Most likely you want to catch it close on the neck. And then you never want to catch it like this. You want to catch it like that or like that. Okay, so I'm going to do that toss one more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. That was a horrible catch. There's wind. One more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So, I'm going to catch it on 3. I kind of count wrong. So, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. Alright, thanks guys, and I really enjoyed showing you guys the stuff. The next video I will show you guys more complicated stuff as tosses and more of the lines of my exercise that I have to do. Also, I will teach you guys how to do my complete warm-up. So this is my complete warm-up. And then right shoulder. So my warm-up is pretty complicated. You just do that over and over. And thanks guys. Have a nice day.